Well, hello friends. Senpai, back again. Have you recently ordered a kit? It came from China, maybe Malaysia, maybe Taiwan. And you got this little yellow envelope with it like a proverb on it saying, friends eggs. Makes no sense at all. You shake it. Is it seeds? Is it Rona? Are they modification parts for your kit? You slowly open it up. You look inside. Is this pixie dust? What could this be? So in my case, my magical packet seems to have flower seeds, which I'm pretty sure is freaking illegal to send internationally. Now, I've actually had friends that end up sending me pictures of theirs, and they got something similar, except it's painted in gold paint, gold fleck, and I recognize those from having a cat that tore open a sachet of potpourri. And that's what those are. And that's what this is supposed to be. Flowers. Flower scents to get rid of your resin smell. These, on the other hand, actually look like they're actual flower seeds, and will be disposed of as such, because you're not supposed to be sending flower seeds internationally, people. But yeah, if you end up getting one of these packets, don't freak out. If it looks like this, I would probably burn it. Okay, you're not supposed to plant them. There's some of the plants that they have there that are actually very dangerous to our crops here in the United States, especially corn and stuff like that, because what turns out to be a flower, it turns out to be like a really bad weed that just takes over everything like a freaking plague. Not like the first plague that they gave out, but if you end up getting it and it's like gold glitter and stuff, all it is a sachet packet or a potpourri packet. That's all it is. It's supposed to have a smell. It doesn't have any smell. This doesn't have any smell. But yeah, these just look like flower seeds is what they are. And they may be completely innocent. They very well may be. And I think it's supposed to get rid of some of the resin smell, because you guys know resin can smell like complete ass when you end up opening it up, and you can get high off of it. I haven't gotten high off of it yet, but you can, or at least feel that way. That is your warning? Yes, friends eggs. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Flower seeds. I'm not going to plant them. You guys have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. Click this like button if this was helpful. Click the dislike button if it was helpful too. I don't really care. Just click a button. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys all in the next video. Senpai out. Peace.